Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly hair right here. That's what the packaging looks like. It has an elastic strap inside it, and it also have a wig cap inside it as well. So this is what the construction of the cap looks like. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it has an elastic strap as well. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair is so soft, guys. So I showed you guys how I will style this hair, and I actually also showed you guys what the hair looks like before applying any product or any glue or gel whatsoever. So I cut the lace of the wig and I applied my stocking cap. After that, I applied the got to be gel on my cap, and I forgot I was going to cut the side of my hair just to lay the cap flat. So I did that and I blow dried the gel and cut off the excess cap. Next, I applied the got to be glued on the areas where I was going to lay the wig, and after that I blow dried the gel and place the wig exactly where I applied the gel, and I blow dried it again just to make the wig lay down flat on my head. So next, after blow drying the hair and I'm satisfied with where I placed the hair on my head, I actually tied my scarf to lay the hair. After a few minutes, I removed the scarf and voila, that's what the hair looks like. The hair actually has like an extra 1 inch of hair at the back in case you want to have an updo, more like a 360 lace wig. So I used the comb and the elastic strap at the back of the cap to secure the hair at the back, and also I used the 1 inch space to have an updo with the hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but you're gonna see what I do in a minute. I had the hair up like a ponytail because there was an inch space at the back of the hair, which allows me to do that. I've not seen in any wig before. This is my first time seeing this, and I really liked it. If you're the type that really likes an updo style but you don't want to get a 360 lace frontal wig, then this wig I definitely recommend for you to get this one. So I showed you guys what the back looks like, which I'm really loving at the moment. As you can tell already, the lace was actually pre-plucked straight from the box, which enables me to be able to style the hair anyhow I like, and also without having to worry about plucking the hair whatsoever. I actually decided to go for a baby hair look, which I'm not a fan of, but I did it anyway just for some of it that I actually like baby hair. I'm not quite a huge person or huge pro when it comes to baby hair, so in most cases I don't really like the outcome when I do it. But apart from that, I am loving this hair, guys. The hair is really soft. I mean, really soft. I also showed you guys some of the look that I would go for with the hair. You can style it anyhow, you can pat it anyhow. Look at that, guys. I showed you guys what the pat looks like, and voila, I love the hair. It's so soft. I decided to go for one part, which is my favorite part of all time, and I applied my powder on the area that I patted on my hair, and I showed you guys how to wipe off excess powder or concealer or whatever you apply on your parts, which is applying water or any liquid spray on your brush as opposed to using mascara, which might change the color of the hair or make it stiff or something like that. Anyway, but that's what I'm doing. I just sprayed water on my brush and use it to wipe off the excess powder on my hair, and look at that, very easy. That's what the hair looks like after patting it. Then I added the leave-in conditioner by She Moisture on the hair, and I also sprayed the hair with water, and I added another oil by Got To Be. Yeah, the oil is really lightweight, so I sprayed enough water on the hair and the oil with the leave-in conditioner, and voila, the coil was popping, guys, like popping. You can decide to wear the hair dry or wet, but if you want that kind of big hair don't care, then there will be no need for you to wet the hair or add any product whatsoever on the hair. But in this case, I decided to wear the hair wet because I love what the wave pattern of the hair when it's wet, and depending on the look you're going for. But so far so good. Those are the styles that I would go for wearing this hair, and I am loving it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for the review, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly hair right here. The hair is actually from eBay and Amazon, and it's 18 inches in length. I actually showed you guys how I installed this hair, and I showed you guys the style that I would go for. Although I didn't really show a lot of styles as such, but at least I showed you guys the easiest way to, you know, install and style this hair so far. So my thoughts about the hair so far is the fact that the hair is really soft, guys. It's really soft, and I also like the curl pattern of the hair. The curls are really popping, guys. Look at that. You can wear the hair big, and you can wear the hair, you know, with styled curls depending on the look you're going for. But if you want that big hair don't care kind of style, then all you have to do is not to add water to the hair. You just brush the hair out and the curls would go big. The hair is really voluminous without, you know, adding any water or any product on it. You can also add your oil if you like. Earlier on I just, you know, comb out the hair with my fingers. You know, the look you're going for. If you want it bigger, then you can brush it out with combs. I use my fingers to, you know, brush out the curls, and it gave me that voluminous, you know, look, which I really liked. And the hair is actually good for beginners. The reason why I said that is because the hair has already been pre-plucked straight from the box. Apart from that, the hair also comes with this parts straight from the box, because sometimes for lace closure or lace wig or whatever hair you're wearing, you need to pluck the pattern. But with this hair, the pattern has been plucked straight from the box, and this was the pattern that came straight from the box with the hair. So all I did was just to apply my powder on the parts, and I'm good to go. So another thing that I really like about this hair that is not like common with every hair is the fact that at the back of the hair, as a lace frontal wig, it has like 1 inch, guys, 1 inch space for you to, you know, glue the hair down if you like, so that you'll be able to, you know, put the hair up as ponytails. And also that inch there has also been customized, so apply it with glue or gel. But I just started to use the comb at the back of the wig to secure my hair at the back. But you also have that option there in case you want to use glue or gel. You want to give that hair that realistic look, which is quite amazing, because I normally see that in 360 or full lace wig, but to my surprise it's on this hair. If you like that updo kind of style but you don't want to, you know, spend much, you just want a lace frontal wig, then I highly recommend you get this one. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the hair is also true to length. It's 18 and it's very long. I like the fact that the hair is so soft and there has been no tangling or shedding whatsoever. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.